And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Put a gentle smile on your face and welcome this beautiful day in your life. It's a new day, it's a new start, and the value of today is that it will never repeat ever again. Yeah, every day happens only once. And somewhere I read this quote: look well to this day, for it and it alone is life. Okay, like forever in your life, there is only going to be one day at a time. No matter how much you worry about your past and the future and dreams and everything, in the end, it boils down to one day will start in your life. That's it. Even 50 years from today, there will be one day like this, and you will wake up in the morning. So, life is all about living this one day to the best that you can. Okay. So, don't waste your time today because entire life is just this one day. Look well to this day, for it and it alone is life. So let the thought sink in and let us understand the value of time, the value of every single moment that we have. Don't waste it over. And today is going to be a good day. You guys are taking responsibility of your life, waking up early. Okay, so as long as you take the right actions, as long as you have good dreams and you're willing to work towards that, results will come your way. Put a gentle smile on your face and be thankful that you got this at least thoughts to succeed in your life. Majority will choose to just give excuses, but you wanted to get results, so be grateful for that as well. Okay, take a deep breath and exhale. Two more times. Once more. Rub your palms against each other, roll it over your face, and slowly open up your eyes. Okay guys, good morning everyone. Okay, chalo team, let's get started for today's activity. Open up your notepad guys. Okay, open up your notepad. Already last, I think Monday and all, we started discussing habits which we need to do on a daily basis. So we will start with those habits and then we will discuss more things. Okay, so everybody please open up your notepad and let's start the day with gratitude practice. Okay, so do a quick flashback of yesterday. Write down five things which you are, okay, five things which you are thankful for, which happened from yesterday morning till today. Find reasons to be happy, find reasons to be grateful in your life. So everybody please perform these. Do a nice flashback from yesterday morning till evening. What were you doing? What good things happened to you? Okay, I'm done with my 5 things. If you're done, give a quick thumbs up. Dekho guys, gratitude is such a practice. It will make you be happy. Okay. And happiness ke liye you don't have to go anywhere. Every single day. Dekho, if you are not happy right now, na, even after 5 years, you will not be happy. Because life is always going to put you through challenges, have some dreams. You will always have to work towards that. Problems will always be there. That means any single day, you have to learn to be happy and grateful in your life. Because that is a different skill. You don't need to accomplish something to be happy. You can just be happy right today itself. That's what it is. This gratitude is going to help you stick with these basics. Okay, guys, let's move to the next one. So once we are done with this, let's now plant a good affirmations, a good identity, thought process for ourselves, a strong belief system. So 10 success affirmations, write it and believe in every one of it. Let's do it in parallel, guys. Let's do it together. First, I am responsible for my life. Stop blaming others. Whatever happens to you, you are responsible for it. Good or bad, success or failure, it's all your life, your responsibility. Second, I am committed to achieve all my goals. Fear is just a feeling. Okay, I think here somewhere I believe in myself was the second one. I believe in myself. Third, I am committed to achieve all my goals. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and move forward. Fifth, I like myself and love my work. Sixth, I am a powerful force designed for success. Seventh, I face challenges and overcome it with ease. Eight, I am a winner. These are commitments you are making to yourself that you want to become this kind of person. So you are affirming it to your mind that this is you. These are your commandments. I am strong and I am powerful. Okay, write it down. When life puts you through some situation, accordingly you need to act in those situations. Face challenges. Know that you are talented and skilled. Okay, enjoy your journey of life. Okay, overcome your fears. Feel like a winner. Be strong. Be powerful. Okay, have dreams and work towards that dreams. Believe in yourself and take responsibility of your life. Okay, guys, chalo. If you're done, then give a quick thumbs up. 10 success affirmations. Okay, Krishna is done. Priyanshu is done. Prasanna done. Okay, very good, guys. Okay, chalo, guys, let's move forward. So, two things. We started with peace and breathing. Next, we came to gratitude. Next, we did some affirmations. After that, let's move forward for rewriting our goal statement. You have to every single day remind yourself about your goal. So guys, write down your one-liner goal statement. Already last time when we connected, we spoke the entire 45 minutes regarding that itself. So write down your one-liner goal statement. I have what you want by when you want it. Chalo. Goal has to be in present tense. It has its own value, so please write it in present tense. I have, let's say, job as Java dev. Okay, with whatever package you're targeting by deadline related entire discussion we did last time. So let's say 15th of November. This date has to be a practical date. That is what we spoke entirely on that day. Okay, write down this variation of goal. Once it is done, give a quick thumbs up. One liner. Goal should be very clear, very precise to you. Okay, Akila is done, Harshal is done, Krishna is done, Prasanna is done. Okay, fine. Now, guys, rewrite this goal in a separate variation also. The goal has to be even measurable. Okay, so this will give you a good target. Okay, you want this by this time. But one of a powerful way of goal setting is making it measurable. So write down your goal in the second format also. What is that second format? I gave, okay, X number of interviews to get what you want by when you want. Write down your goal statement in the second format also. Last week, I think Tuesday, we already discussed how many interviews you are supposed to give in order to get this by this date. So now write down the second variation. For example, I gave, okay, 10 interviews to get job as Java dev with 5 lakh package by 15th of November. Now, this is a measurable goal. Write it down. Whatever number of interviews you are supposed to give. And we will then measure, have you given these many number of interviews as we pass through every single day, every single week. So if you are not reaching to this, you should know that this goal is not going to happen. So goals has to be measurable so that you can check even your progress towards that goal. Chalo guys, everybody. Write down this second format. You decide your number. Face the truth, guys. Then you can fix it. Okay, Akhila is done. Balu Prasad is done. Koti is done. Priyanshu done. Krishna, Prasanna. Good. Okay. Chalo. So every single day, these set of routines you need to start. Okay. One another recommendation is always wake up at the same time. Okay, every single day. So that is how your routine fully gets going. You start at a fixed time every single day. Whatever that timing could be, fix one time and make it a habit to wake up at that time. Don't rely on snoozes and after 5 minutes, don't do that. Okay, whenever dot time, for example, if you are saying 6:00, or if you have a plan, generally just set up another alarm 6:01, 6:00, 6:01, and make sure you wake up as part of this itself. Okay, make sure you wake up as part of this itself. 6:00, 6:01. No snoozing, no nothing else. As soon as you get the first awareness, you should wake up. Make sure this becomes a habit. After that, whatever you do, when you join this, always start the day with peace. This is important thing. Peace and breathing. Never start your day with worry and never end your day with worry. Okay. So always the first thing in the morning is be thankful, be peaceful, deep breaths, inhaling, relaxed mind. Then you are more thankful for your life. Then you're planting a new thought process. After that, you're revising yourself, reminding yourself about your goal. It's a momentum that you take for the day. Okay. Now, once we are done with all these things, our next focus is we need to do planning towards this goal. We have set up a goal. Now it needs to have a plan. And then we have to take actions on that plan. And we need to do all these things consistently. Okay. Now, with regards to planning, all the ideas we have already discussed in the past 10 days. So before this Monday, last 2 weeks onwards, all the ideas we discussed in 10 days. If you have missed any of that, watch it on YouTube. It will be live streamed in the live section. Okay. One by one, you can go through that. So ideas for getting the job we have already discussed. Now we want to plan and implement those ideas. Okay, what are we going to do? Okay, I have this sheet which I will be sharing right now with you guys. Job hunting sheet, Excel. It's basically a Google sheet. As part of that, there is one area called as roadmap planning that we need to work upon right now in this call. Okay, there is a sheet in this called as roadmap planning sheet. This one we need to update today, right now in this call. Okay, so what exactly it is, what are we doing here, we will discuss about all that. Okay, now point is, without planning anyways results will not come. We will work more hard, we will not even know which is the right technique, not the right technique. So we need to really work on the right manner. Okay, so basically what it boils down to, this week that we are in, so this week is what, 30 October, 30 September to 6th October week. This is this week we are in. Okay, so let's delete everything before that and we will start fresh. Delete these columns. So 30 September to 6th October. So every week duration is there. 7th October to 13th, and then 14 to 20. Like that, every week data is available here. Please understand, in order to get the job, we just need to perform two activities. At a high level, you can categorize only in two activities. One is preparation, the second one is job hunting. You can put all the activities in these two categories. Either you are doing this or you are doing this. Okay? There is no third category. If you feel that third bhi nikalta hai, okay, maybe then you can write that as well. But somewhere I feel categorizing into two basically takes care of almost everything. Okay? Next. So this is how your daily work should be. Now the point is, you need to ask a question. This week, what will you be working upon? This week means till next what? Sunday. We are already, I think, on a Thursday today. Okay. So we still have like 4 days to end. So going forward, every Monday, we will do this weekly planning activity. Without a plan, time will be wasted. We don't even know whether we are doing good or bad. So we need to do a weekly planning activity. Going forward, from every Monday onwards, we will start doing it. So 7th of October, ko next weekly plan will happen. As part of that, we will focus on 7th to 13th related. But as of today, let's do some high level plan. What we should do in these next coming 4 days, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's up to you. It's your choice, basically. Okay? Now, as part of this weekly planning, for this week, like we said, we need to break it down into two sections. One is preparation, another one is job hunting. Now, preparation area, you have to primarily target 5 things: core, framework, project, coding, communication. If you feel something more is required, you can even have that, depending upon what your skill you're targeting. Maybe if you're thinking some certifications and all, maybe whatever, anything preparation. Or if you're thinking further aptitude related, something else should be there, maybe you can put that. So whatever it is, anything for preparation or interview questions preparation, any unique new idea you have, you can put it here. But majorly, your preparation will be in these 5 areas. In this sheet, here in the column, we have mentioned these 5 areas. If you have something else, also add it here, whatever you will prepare. Generally, it's a repetition. If you really observe, it's just a repetition of these things over a period of time that will complete all your planning, tasks, and everything. Okay? One day, anyways, we will not be able to do, so we need to plan. So what have we done is, all these things, core, framework, coding, project, and communication, we have placed it in this column. And then with regards to job hunting, we have other things. We will come to that also. And then you decide right now, in these 4 days, out of all these, or if you have added anything else, which ones you want to work upon, that you need to now highlight it differently. and decide on a daily basis how much time you are going to give for this activity, just at a high level. It will help you to do some better planning about that. So guys, everybody, let's do this activity right now. Focus on this week. We have 4 days with us. Which topics you will be working upon and how much time you will be allocating. These two things you need to answer right now. Weekly planning. In this 4 days, which topic, or more than topic, which, okay, area you would be working upon, and how much daily time you would give. So everybody, I'm sharing this link. Okay, please take this. Everybody think about it. देखो, nobody else is coming for you. You are all by yourself in your life. Whether you succeed, whether you fail, you're all by yourself. Okay, don't expect others to come for you. You have to take care about your own self. Be self-sufficient, and if somebody comes, that is a value add. Okay, but be capable to deal with your own things of your life. Don't expect things from others. You will be more happy and you will grow more successful. And then yes, when others come and they help you out, so be thankful for that. Okay, tell everybody, please launch this link. Go to this roadmap. Okay, it's a view only sheet first of all, so you need to create your own editable version. So you can do that by file, make a copy. Once you have that, make a copy. Your new file will be created with edit access to you in your Google Drive, and after that you can start filling all these this week related items. Chalo, make some decisions. Right or wrong does not matter, but make some decisions. Which areas you want to work upon in these 4 days up to 6th of October. So you can just highlight it, something like this. You can select, you can merge it. There is a merge cell option, and maybe you can put them in a different color. And then in that you write, okay, let's say daily 1 hour. Put it up like this, guys. Chalo, everybody, think about it. Right, wrong, doesn't matter. Plan something. Next Monday, we will again plan it, right, in 4 days. So if you have done some wrong planning today, next Monday, you can correct that plan. So it's okay. It allows for mistakes. It allows for uncertainty, but make it a habit. It will be easy for you to accomplish your goals if you do it properly. Guys, once you're done, give a quick thumbs up. Okay, Krishna is done. Akhila is done. Naga is done. Jitendra done. Prasanna done. Balu done. Very good. Okay. थोड़ा सा guys acquire planning habit. Life will become easy for you. Okay. It is hard for everybody, but if you do a bit of planning, na, mind will be applied properly. Otherwise, a lot of people are doing a lot of mistakes. They don't even think about it. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Why am I doing wrong? Can it be done better? They are just worried about life. You have to fix it. So for that, a bit planning, thought process is required. You need to think. Okay, fine, chalo. So we have done that. Dekho, guys, now it could be quite possible that different type of plans could be there, and maybe multiple plans might work. Okay, for example, somebody says, rather than daily working upon framework, I will not be working upon that maybe Thursday and Friday. Rather, I will put only Saturday, Sunday, weekend for this. Saturday, Sunday. But when I do like that, maybe Saturday, Sunday, daily 4 hours I will do. Nothing but total 8 hours. That's also fine. Any plan is a good plan. whatever you think works for you, put that plan here. Not everything has to be done every day also. Maybe you can say coding I will do 5 days a week generally. So be aware that plans are flexible. It considers, it allows for doing the best that you can. Okay. So for example, you want to go to gym. Even if you don't go daily, that is fine. 5 days a week, 1 hour daily is also a good enough target. Remaining time you can just enjoy in nature. So it's up to you basically. You have 5 days in 7 days in front of you. Effectively plan it. Don't overburden yourself. Effectively plan it. And but whatever is your plan, highlight it here. Okay. Chalo guys, next. Okay. So guys, are we done with the preparation planning? Whatever plans, if you feel like changing it, do that as well. Okay. Now, next thing. Guys, the way we discussed as part of the past 10 days, where job seeker techniques we were discussing about. Okay, we came down to this preparation we need to do and job hunting we need to do. Okay, that is fine. But the point is, we said you should be only 30% prepared in order to give interviews. 30% prepared in almost all above areas. At least 30%. Don't target to do anything more than 30%. At least decent. If your interview is arranged, you should be able to speak something in that. For that, 30% is okay. So all of these areas may you should target to do 30%. If somewhere you're not 30%, so initially focus your entire time only in preparation. Okay. Once you become 30% in all the areas, then you start with your job hunting activity. Otherwise, if interview schedule, what will you even speak with the HRs to the interviewer? You're just wasting your time. You don't even know stuff, then what will you talk in interview? Don't waste others' time also and your time as well. So first, at least try to do 30% preparation. And guys, 30 is very low, but at least try to do 30% preparation in all of these areas. Okay, if an interview is arranged, if HR is calling, you should be able to speak with the person. Once you are 30% ready, this should be your cap. Once you are 30% ready, after that you need to split your day in both preparation and job hunting. Don't wait for more than 30%, guys. More waiting, the job hunting is going to also take time. It's not like once you're 100% prepared in the first day you will get the job. It's not going to happen. Be practical. That's what we are doing. We are knowing what happens in the job market. It takes time for getting the opportunity, for getting the interview arranged, for cracking those interviews, getting the offer letter. Everything is a time consuming activity. So you cannot do like 6 months of only preparation and then starting with job hunt. Basically, after that, maybe 3-4 months more will be required. So it's all a matter of time. So the approach will be initially till you are 30% prepared in all of these areas, you have to give your 100% daytime in preparation only. Once you are 30% prepared, at least interview is happening, you should be able to speak. If you don't know this measurement or how much is 30% and all, you just focus that if interview happens, you should be able to speak something. You should be able to speak and explain. Not everything, but at least few things. You should not be dumb and mute there. So that should be your measure. In each of the area, you need to be that good. So if you are becoming this, till the time you become this, give your 100% to preparation only. Once you become 100% of your daytime, once you become this 30% ready, and at least you can speak something during interview, then you need to split your day in these two activities. Okay. And like we said, daily you should target to work 10 hours every single day. Anything less than that means it will take more time for you to achieve your goal. Right now you're saying, okay, in 3 months you want to have the goal. For that, this much of time of efforts required. If you put anything less than that, very easily 5 months will be required. Even 6 months might be required for you to get your goal. 2 to 3 months may, if you want results, very extreme hard work of 10 hours every single day required for the next 2 to 3 months. Get real, get practical. If you put less than these efforts, it will not come in 2-3 months also for you. It will take you more time. So that's what amount of effort is required in order to get results. That's based upon high level average we are speaking about. Okay, prepare for the worst. Easy raya to it will anyways become easy for you, but be ready to put your 100%. Results will be better. Okay guys, fine. Second thing, if you are already, so guys, first in your notepad answer this question: are you 30% prepared in each of this area? Please answer this question. Are you 30% prepared in each of this area? Just answer in your notepad a yes or a no. And maybe you can mark a poll also here. Mark this poll as well, so we will know what we are talking about. If you don't know exact measurement of 30%, it should be, if an interview is arranged, can you speak with the HRs? Can you speak with the interviewer? That is your measurement. Are you prepared for speaking in interview at least? Okay, very good to see. Eight members are there. Nothing but around 80%. Okay, so there are very few. So like 50% don't respond. That is a consistent pattern. So we can ignore that. But out of whoever who is responding, we can see like around majority of you are on a good side. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, super. So guys, so since the majority of you are on a category ke you are 30% prepared, so you need to do this next level plan. So all the members who are saying ke not yet 30%, today entire day or even this week, every single day, 10 hours you give only for preparation work only. Till the time you become ready, till this becomes a yes for you, every single day you give only for preparation. Don't even apply for any job anywhere. You're just wasting your time. A wrong plan, basically. What are you even waiting for? First, be 30% ready. Then only you try to do anything else. Otherwise, results will not come. So don't do the things which will not give you results. Okay? Next, for all the other members, majority members, like we see, you guys are already 30% ready. So what you need to do is these 10 hours, you need to split between preparation and job hunting. Preparation ke liye give around 6 hours of time and job hunting give around 4 hours of time. This is on a daily basis you need to do. Please understand, guys, getting interview opportunities is a daily set of work, not like you wait and randomly something will happen for you. No, it is concrete ideas. We already discussed all the ideas. 4 hours daily we need to do this. Preparation 6 hours we need to do, and consistently we need to work 10 hours every single day till the time we get the job. If you can give more than this, that is also very good, but it's up to you. So chalo guys, and we discussed in job hunting, we have broken down into two things. One is this one-time checklist, job hunting checklist. We discussed each of these areas properly last before that. Okay, like past 2 weeks mein. Now first we need to finish this one-time checklist. Once this one-time checklist is done, then you need to go for daily actions, repetitive actions. This one-time checklist also you have to daily run it in this 4 hours. After that you have to go for repetitive actions, which is nothing but apply, network, follow-up, model. Okay, so guys, in job hunting, first you need to finish one-time checklist. If you don't know what that is, watch the previous recordings, go through this, make sure that you mark everything as done. Second, if you're done with this, then only you start with this. Everything is a step-by-step priority. Okay, don't lose your patience. It's all matter of days. If you consistently do all these things, within 2 weeks you would be ready to apply and do everything. If you are not doing anything, even after 1 month you will not be ready. So start utilizing your days. So guys, everyone, decide what you want to do and reflect that in your job roadmap planning. So if you have not finished one time checklist, first you need to allocate your entire 4 hours today and all these days only in one time checklist. Put it here, 4 hours only in this one time checklist. If you have done this checklist already, so then you don't have to spend any time here. You move your entire time to repetitive job hunting actions for arranging interviews for you. This will prepare you for getting interview calls, and this is where you actually get interview calls. But you cannot get this if you are not properly prepared. So guys, you make a decision and reflect it in your weekly plan. Everybody now go to your roadmap planning and now finalize this everything. This week ke liye what is your target? If you are saying, no, Sunday I don't want to do this, okay, fine. Plan for 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If you are saying, no, Saturday also I don't want to do, okay, then you need to really question yourself. Okay, you want your dreams, but you're not willing to work for that also. Then how will you get results? Do honest self-talk with yourself. Without results, without efforts, nothing is going to happen in your life. If commitment is not there, dedication is not there, don't expect results to come to your way. So you need to be a bit serious and committed. But guys, everyone, please reflect this. So if you're 30% ready, the way you guys have voted, so you have to even plan for job hunting activities. If you're not ready, 30%, your entire day you plan only for this. If 30%, then even this. And in the job hunting, first you need to finish this. If this is not done, don't start with this. Even if it takes you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, doesn't matter. But if this is not getting done, don't start with this applying also. Sort of systematic work towards it. And you have next week also. You have a week after that as well. Utilize this power of time in your favor, not against you. Finish the things properly. Then every week will lead to another better week than this previous week. It's all like lining up the dominoes. Chalo guys, everyone, please do this. Once you're done, give a quick thumbs up. It's just reflecting here. Log in from your laptops, it will become easy to do. And guys, only listening say nothing happens. You need to get into now actions. That's what we are doing now. Actions. If you're done, give a quick thumbs up. But think, guys, right, wrong plan does not matter. You will see if you planned wrong, next Monday you will realize, oh, I did mistakes in my planning. Actually, this is not happening like that. I said daily I will work for 3 hours, but I'm not able to do. A clarity will start coming in your journey of life. And then you can fix something, right? We are all very smart people. So everybody, think about it. How do you balance these things? Preparation and job hunting. And we are already giving some clarity. 6 hours for preparation, 4 hours for job hunting. In job hunting, first this one. Once this is done, then this one. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And if you say, no, I can put only 4 hours per day, then know that it is going to take a lot of time for you then. You need to come up with even more smarter strategic approaches. Okay? There are n number of ways of doing it. Don't discard anything. If 4 hours is what you have, you need to try to think what is the best way within 4 hours, if you daily do it plus weekends, how you can get results. So whatever you have in that, the best solution you need to make. But if you have time and then you are saying daily 4, then you are basically making a mistake, because time is required in order to do some things. If you don't have time, so nothing can be done. You need to do the best that you can in the available time. But if you have 10 hours, 12 hours and you're wasting it, now that is a serious concern. That shows poor judgment, lack of commitment, no dedication towards the dreams, and a lot of negative things about you. If you have time and you're not willing to work for that, a lot of negative things comes out. Attitude problem, thought process is broken, okay, laziness is more, procrastination is more. A lot of negative things actually come up if you have time and you don't want to use it. If hai nahi, to yeah, that's a different story. Maybe you're busy with something else, so that's where. Chalo guys, are you done with this? Are you done with this week plan? Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, Nakul also done, Jitender also done, Siddharth done, Prasanna done, Koti Naga done. Okay, good guys, good. Okay, very good team. So chalo, itna ho gaya. So right now we have some plan in front of us. Okay guys, dekho. Now on top of this, you have to decide today what you will be working upon. Okay, right. It all boils down to, okay, weekly ka clarity to you got, but today what is you are going to work upon. So now let's do some day planning. Today has to be utilized the best way that you can. So come up with list of tasks for today, in terms of, so today are you planning to do core, framework, whatever you plan for week. Now decide today what areas you will be working upon. Okay, now guys, please understand, there are two things here. One is just choosing these categories. Yeah, I will work upon core today, framework today, project today, coding, blah blah blah, whatever. The another thing is, in that what are you going to work upon? If you are saying I will work upon framework, and let's say Spring Boot, inside Spring Boot, what you will be doing today? So two level ka planning is there. First, category identification. After that, content identification, ki what you will be doing. And for both of them, you need to have clarity. Okay, so category to we have finalized together. Now, what should be the content? What will you work? If you say today I will work upon core, so what exactly in core? Whether you will work upon threads, collections, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Now, second level plan, you need to figure out depending upon where you are currently, how much you are prepared, not prepared. But one by one journey. So guys, let's do this thing. Okay, list of tasks for today. And इसमें both things you have to do. First, category identification. Category is now simple because you have already decided for this week. So category. Second one is content in that category, topic, content or topic, whatever you call it. Okay, what you exactly will work upon in that category. So now guys, write down both of it. First, identify the category. Inside each of the category, now decide क्या करना है. If you don't know something, maybe today when you start working upon that, then first thing you have to be clear, okay, what topics I will be preparing on. Chalo guys, everyone, please do this. Chalo, think. So write down first your categories today ka. Next, decide in that what exactly you want to work upon. And 10 hours to daily lagana hai. If you're doing job hunting, to 6 hours basically go here. Even for job hunting, second approach, you have to specify what will you do in the second approach. So one time checklist, people can refer to this area. Go to this sheet there, job hunting checklist. In this checklist, see how much you have done, how much you have not done. From here, you can pick something. And guys, preparation ke liye, you need to do it separately. Chalo guys, everybody. Think, this is important now. We have roughly 12 minutes for the call. Let's complete this day planning properly. Write it down. Category identification is simple. But after that, write down one bullet point about each of the category, what you will be working upon, topic or content. If you're not aware right now, okay, just put it, okay, today first I will plan this. And after that, you start working upon that. Okay, it's just straightforward. Okay. If you're done, give a quick thumbs up. We are just trying to do some bit of planning in our life. That's it. Okay, okay. Krishna is done. Balu Prasad is done. Okay, very good. Koti Naga, Prasanna, Shubham. So everybody please complete it. Think and write it down. Don't keep things in the mind. Write it down on a piece of whatever, whichever software you're using. Okay, guys, we are done. Chalo, please mark one more poll if you're done till now. Completed all activities till now. Yes, not all, or still in progress. Chalo, guys, if you're done, please mark this poll as well. Whatever we discuss so far till morning till now, if you have done all the activities, mark it as a done. Okay. 3, 5, 6. Okay, good, good. Finish it. देखो guys, if you log in from laptops, it becomes easy. Mobile में रहेगा तो it's like sheet is not editing, this problem, readability is not there. So every single day, sit and attend this session, log in from your laptops with a fresh mind. Planning is everything. This 1 hour will change your results of your entire day drastically. This 1 hour can change the future basically. This is very important hour of the day. Okay, 6 members have finished it. Guys, what about the rest? Chalo, quickly vote it here. Chalo, chalo. Still, I guess some of you guys are still working on it. Okay, 7 members completed. Okay, 9. Chalo, now that's good. 10. Okay, nice. Okay, ठीक है. One by one, everybody is completing their items. Okay, nice, pretty good. Okay, team. Now, देखो, already this next thing we have discussed in the previous 2 weeks, but I will give a reminder about that. Since we are on this topic, content category identification we have already done. Now you want to see how do you want to prepare in the content wise. Okay, use the support of any AI tools, chat GPT or all these other things. Whichever category you want to now work upon, whichever category it could be. Okay, ask a 30-day roadmap to chat GPT to become really good in that category. As simple as that. It will give you a very concrete plan. Arrange the topics one by one, day by day, what you are supposed to do. Okay, and then it will give you a nice decent 30-day plan. So then content will become very easy for you. You don't have to even worry about anything. Okay, simply something like this. So use these tools to help you speed up in your journey. Okay, what is that? Give me a 30-day plan to, okay, to become, to achieve mastery in, let's say, Spring Boot. Give a day by day breakup with all resources to be used for preparation. Okay, arrange the topics so it would be helpful for explaining during interview. Okay. Next, cover all necessary topics which are asked in majority of interviews and will help getting job quickly. Feed the right inputs. Okay. Mastery in Spring Boot. Next, day by day breakup, 30-day plan. Chalo, right now we have something. Let's see what it comes up with. That's it. It started now. Week 1. So देखो, ChatGPT is also doing a weekly planning in that daily planning, because that's how planning happens. You work in a structure. It knows it. The system knows it. Okay. So week 1, fundamentals पे काम कर. And then it is now saying, okay, introduction, and then this, and where you can do it. Some links are also available. You can start visiting those links to read. So it's so easy. You just have to take actions in the current times. How part is very easy, but efforts are required. Those who can put efforts and use this knowledge, they will succeed. Even after having all this, if you cannot take actions, you will definitely fail in your life. So figuring out things is very easy in the current times with all these AI tools. Just see, all the 7 days का full breakup दे दिया. ठीक है. Next, deep dive into, फिर second इस पे लेके जा रहा है वो. API validation, exception handling, pagination. Now the point is, now full detail wise breakup. Week 4, week 3, full plan is going on. ठीक है, क्या क्या करना है. So week 2 is like this. So week 2, week 3. Next, week 4, full 30-day ka plan ready. Now you do this thing for whatever. You will automatically have the content lined up for you. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. You just copy paste this in today's session note. Let me at least put this, maybe just a few thoughts for you guys. Now you just change the topic. It gives you a plan for anything else. For example, you just say, okay, core Java and coding interview questions. दोनों चीजों को merge कर लो. Rest of the things remain the same. You change the topic. Now you will get everything from the perspective of this new topic. It starts with that. It knows a lot. All of the information of web is fed into it. It will give you a very concrete plan for everything, along with proper resources from everywhere, which topics required. So guys, finding things have become very easy. Within 5 minutes, you can get that. Play around with 2-3 AI tools, you will have your full list. But acting on that, working towards it, that is where the tricky part will be. Consistency challenges will be there. So just see, पूरा का पूरा हो गया अभी. ये पूरा 30-day plan आ जाएगा. So guys, if you don't have a clear-cut plan for what content should be there, today when you're starting with that section, first do this. And maybe whatever comes here, put it into a different maybe Word document for yourself, or in this Excel sheet itself, you create a new sheet for yourself. Maybe in this Excel sheet, now you can create a new sheet for yourself where you put all the details about this preparation, the list of topics which ChatGPT is suggesting, along with their resources. You start putting everything there and then start working on that as your checklist. So work a bit in an organized manner and everything will happen. So guys, if you don't have this kind of a 30-day plan, put it up, use ChatGPT, whatever output comes, you create a new sheet for yourself, and in that you start lining up all those items. And then you can start measuring with some status like this itself, whether it is to do, whether it is in progress, whether it is done. And one by one, your topic should be to make sure everything gets completed. Work in an organized manner. Even a mountain of work will just finish over a period of time. If you don't start, you will never finish. How do you make a big building? By putting one brick at a time. Okay. Now you might say कि अभी 3D printing आ रहा है, brick नहीं चलता है, तो it's okay. 1 inch printing 1 inch at a time, right? So, but you do something at a time. You don't look at that mountain and then you're scared. How do I climb? You take one step at a time. That's what these steps are. But when you keep taking these steps on a daily basis, Over a period of time, you will become expert in core, expert in framework, job opportunities will coming, but you need to take that daily step. Over a period of time, everything will be done. You will be on the top of the mountain, on top of interview calls, on top of getting actually a job opportunity. But you need to start, not worry about so much needs to be done. Yes, needs to be done. Who said life is easy? Who said industry is easy? You need to become tough in order to crack your jobs. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. Today entire day, please spend time in coming up with at least this kind of 30-day plans for each of this area. Okay. And then, or whatever you're planning to work upon, at least for this week, for those areas, come up with a plan, put it into Excel sheet, and then that will give you a easy content also. Friday ko when we meet, content selection, you just have to go through those Excel sheets. Okay, this is what it is. We can do it right now. Since we have 1 minute, let me quickly show it to you. For example, you can put here like this. Okay, preparation for spring boot. Like this, you can create separate sheets for everything. And now you just put something here: topic, description, status. Now, in the topic part, one by one, you have to do a lot of manual stuff here. Okay, just start putting things here. Next, copy these things, click on those individual links, put it into description, click on those individual links, paste the hyperlinks here, and then you can put the status as to do. Okay, put some readable color combinations like this, put some locking here, view, freeze, first row. Next, go to the next one. This topic. Next, you will work for this, paste this content, and then to do state. So like this, finish the entire 30-day plan here. It will give you all things that you need to actually be working upon. And one by one, someday you might not work on that. No problem. Your list is always going to be there. All the day 30 taka breakup will be there. Yes, someday you might miss a day or two here and there, but you're not losing your track. It is easy for you to get started wherever you dropped in between. And you just come daily then and keep marking this. Whichever you're doing, mark that first in progress. Work in order only. Don't jump here and there. Work in order, in progress. And once the work is completed, mark it as done. By that way, this entire checklist should become done, 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 done. And like this, you have checklist for all of your ideas also. It will become so easy for you to finish this. It's just a matter of time. Within next 2 months, you will actually become good in all of these areas. Plus interview, may you're hunting also, results will start showing up. But effort is required. Okay? So guys, chalo, that's it. I gave a practical demonstration so that you can pick it up. Any other better plan you have, you can do that. But this actually works. It's simple, it's organized, and it just does the work. Okay? Chalo, thank you everybody. Everybody clear with all this? तो थोड़ा सा प्लानिंग, नाउ यू हैव योर एंटायर डे टू एग्जीक्यूट ऑन दिस प्लान. सो अभी काम करते हैं. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी फॉर योर टाइम. वी विल बी कनेक्टिंग टुमारो मॉर्निंग फ्राइडे वंस अगेन. फ्यू मोर थिंग्स एक एक करके. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग एक्शंस, नॉट जस्ट डिस्कसिंग आइडियाज, प्लानिंग टू टेक एक्शंस. फोकस एंड यू विल विन फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. सी यू टुमारो मॉर्निंग 6:30 बैक अगेन. बाय गाइस, हैव अ ग्रेट डे टीम. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय. Stopping the stream and stopping this. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.